When to use a hypothesis test for two independent population means. Statistics students often ask, what statistical method should I be using to analyze these data or to answer this question? In particular, you may be wondering if a hypothesis test for two independent population means, sometimes called an independent samples t-test, is appropriate for the question and data you have. This hypothesis test is used when you have two separate populations or groups that are not related to one another. Furthermore, the characteristic of these groups that you are interested in is quantitative, that is numerical, and you want to know if the averages or means of the two populations are the same or different. Here are some examples in which a test for two independent population means can be used. Note the different ways in which the questions can be asked. Example 1. Is there evidence of a difference in the average salary in dollars of electrical engineers compared to mechanical engineers? Example 2. Can you prove that the mean weekly sales in dollars for location 1 is greater than that of location 2? Example 3. Test the claim that the waiting time in minutes through a drive-through window of two fast food restaurants is the same on average. In each of these examples, there are four common characteristics. First, we are comparing two populations or groups. Second, the populations are unrelated or independent of each other. For example, two different groups of engineers, two separate locations, and two different restaurants. Third, the characteristic we are measuring is quantitative. For example, salaries, sales in dollars, and waiting times in minutes are all numerical. And fourth, we are examining the mean or average of each population to see if there is evidence of a difference. When these four qualities are present, a hypothesis test for two independent population means is appropriate.
Created using Powtoon.